You've got to understand, this is a frequency.
Yeah.
So it's like, which frequency Paji is using this on,
Hmm.
right? How many plugins can he do? It's a frequency. Now, if your frequency is higher, these energies,
Yeah.
the spirits, have a lower frequency. If they come, they'll get hurt, like let's say a electrical fence you've got around you, and they'll bounce off. But if your frequency is low, it's easy. They just come to you.
Okay.
They'll keep on coming. You'll just be like a garage. They'll keep on jumping in. But the thing is, if your frequency is high, you can absorb positive energy, and that makes you like Duracell batteries. And these things will be around you when they want to say, Charlie, this man is going to Shah Paji's house. So what we're going to do, as his guest, will go with him, and then Shah Paji will see him. So you will go home, the guest will stay here, and Shah Paji will be like, oh my God, what did he bring with him?
Yeah.
Hence why I don't allow anyone to visit me. Nobody's allowed to come to my house.
That's my father.
There's no visitors.
My father was the same.
No
Nobody
visitors.
comes. बगैर
Because
मर्जी
you know, people come, आप तो चले जाते हैं, अपना baggage छड़ जाते हैं. That baggage I have to deal with, and I can't sleep. I can't do anything. There's disturbance in the house. There's lights going on and off. The TV goes on and off by itself, and it's annoying. I don't need that.